If you need to rent an apartment or home but have bad credit, past evictions, self-employed, no credit, bankruptcy, this is the program you want. Learning exactly what you need to do in order to rent an apartment using a CPN number. This is used by tens of thousands of people in the US. First, you will need to understand a few things associated with the rental of an apartment using your new CPN number. A CPN number is designed exclusively for credit reporting purposes. If you have been evicted before, then that eviction will not show with a CPN number. Companies only look through public records if you have bad credit or history of late payments on your credit report. Since your CPN number will be clean, you get in. You can apply as normal using the instructions below. First, you want to find a house or apartment complex that has vacancies. If there are no vacancies, don't bother applying for waiting lists. Your CPN number or trade lines may change over time. When they pull a new report prior to your move-in, it may not be the same, since you will most likely be applying for other things using your new CPN number. So make sure you check your credit score with creditchecktotal.com or a similar site prior to having a complex run your credit. Find a rental you can afford. As with everything else you purchase with a CPN number, you want to be sure your actual funds can cover your intentions. Gather the following documents before you go to the rental office. When you arrive at the complex, talk to whoever you talk to on the phone from your new profile's phone number. Read our apartment complex sit-down Q&A on our facts page. Fill out your paperwork and be patient for your move-in date. It's straightforward. If you want to get a luxury rental or a lower deposit amount, we suggest you use a rental trade line from us, which will drastically increase your scores and drop your entry fees. If you use the CPN apartment rental package alone without a trade line, expect to pay application fee, security deposit, first month's rent, last month's rent. If you have a FICO credit score posted on your CPN file because you bought a trade line for your CPN apartment rental file, expect to pay application fee, security deposit, maybe first month's rent. Saving up to $3,000 by not having to pay the extra fees and additional month's rent can make or break your CPN apartment rental move-in deal. Very important, never allow anyone to run your old address or any information other than the information you provided them with. It is illegal for someone to use information you did not provide them with for a credit check. Do not attempt to refinance anything that was purchased under your SSN with the CPN profile number, no matter how great the rates look, because this will also merge your credit profiles together and will be denied credit. When applying for credit, always use your new address associated with the CPN. If your license or ID still contains the old address, make sure the creditors do not run it with your CPN, because this will merge your old credit profile with the new one. Just tell the creditors that you did not update your address on your ID or you have been a victim of fraud under that old address. Many people have been and not know it.